Hello dear students, welcome back. Today is our GK class. So we are going to play a word game. Let's start. We are going to do a bird search. I am going to show you a grid which is given below. As you can see, what you have to do, you have to circle the names of the birds in the following grid which is given below, either across or down with the help of clues. I'm going to give you some clues and then you have to find out the name of the birds. Fine. So let's see what is the first clue. This bird can fly backwards. So can you tell me which bird fly backwards? It's hummingbird. Okay, as you can see in this picture, this is a hummingbird which can fly backwards also. So in your GK book, page number 10, you can see the pictures also and clues were given at below the grid. So I'm going to give you the clues one by one with the answers. You have to write the answers in front of the clues and then at the end you have to circle the birds on the grid. Fine. So let's see the next clue. This bird is considered the symbol of peace. So do you know which bird is considered as the symbol of peace? It's dove. Okay, you must have seen this bird. It's white colored. Let's move to the third clue. This is the world's fastest bird. Yes, it's falcon. See in the picture, which flies very high and it is the world's fastest bird. Fine. Let's see the next clue. This is the national bird of India and I know you all know the answer. It's peacock, right? Peacock is the national bird of India, right? So the next one is, this bird lays the largest eggs. Which bird lays the largest eggs? It's ostrich. Yes, this bird is very tall and it lays the largest egg. Let's see the next clue. This bird does not make its own nest. Do you know which bird does not make its own nest? It lays its eggs in the nest of some other bird. So let's see which bird is this. It's cuckoo. Let's see the next one. This bird is the symbol of intelligence and wisdom. So which bird is the symbol of intelligence and wisdom? It's owl. So this is the symbol of intelligence and wisdom. Let's move to the next. This bird makes a unique sound while pecking on trees. So with this clue you must be knowing that this bird peck on trees. So what do we call that bird which peck on trees? Yes, it's woodpecker. It keeps on pecking on the trees. So our clues are finished and now you have to circle all these words in the given grid. As you can see, I have highlighted it with red color. You can use your pencil or you can use any color to highlight the birds. Fine. It can be crosswise or it can be downwards. So do this on your GK book. But let's do one more page, that is page number 11, and it is animals are friends. As we all know, animals are our friends. So what we have to do in this page, animals help us in many ways. In each row, circle the animal that is the odd one out. So I am going to show you some animals and I am going to tell you what these animals, how these animals help us. But you have to find the odd one out. You have to see out of, I am going to give you 3 options and you have to see which of these 3 animals is the odd one out. Fine. So let's begin. Let's see the first one. These animals give us milk. So our 3 options are, what is this? This and this. So we have cow, giraffe and horse. So out of these 3 animals, 2 of the animals gives us milk and one is the odd one out. So do you know which animal does not give us milk? It's giraffe, because cow and horse both give us milk and giraffe doesn't. Okay, so let's move to the next one. These animals give us wool for clothes. Which animal give us wool? So let's see the options what we have. We have yak, we have sheep and we have fish. So what do you think? Which of these does not give us wool? I hope you know the answer. Yes, it's fish. So you have to circle fish. Why we are doing the wrong answers? Because we have to find out the odd one out. So fish is the odd one. Sheep and yak both give us wool. Fine. So let's see the last one. These animals help in carrying heavy loads and people on their backs. So let's see the options. We have donkey, we have camel and we have turkey. So out of these 3 animals, 2 carry loads and people on their backs and one does not. So what do you think? Which is the odd one out? Donkey, camel or turkey? Yes, it's turkey. Because camel and donkey both carry heavy loads and people also. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you will be able to do the page number 10 and 11 on your GK book. So thanks for watching. Keep learning. Stay safe.